When you hear the name Ford Mustang, you don't just think of a car. You think of legacy, raw power, and that unmistakable American muscle attitude. And the 2026 model takes that legacy and pushes it into a future where performance meets cutting-edge technology in a way we've never quite seen before. The first thing you notice about the 2026 Mustang is its aggressive low-slung stance. It still carries that classic long hood and short rear deck, but everything feels sharper, more modern, and more aerodynamic. The front fascia is sculpted not just for looks, but for function, improving airflow and cooling, especially in high-performance variants. The LED signature lighting and sequential taillights keep that iconic Mustang identity alive, while new bold color options add a fresh, eye-catching presence on the road. Step inside, and it's a completely different world compared to older Mustangs. You're greeted with a fighter jet-inspired cockpit featuring a fully digital instrument cluster and a large central touchscreen running Ford's latest infotainment system. Everything feels driver-focused, customizable, and surprisingly premium, especially in higher trims with heated and ventilated seats, a premium sound system, and ambient lighting that elevates the overall experience. Now let's talk about what really matters: the performance. The 2026 Mustang offers multiple personalities depending on what kind of driver you are. At the entry level, you get a 2.3-liter EcoBoost turbo engine, which is efficient but still delivers a strong punch for everyday driving. But if you step into the GT or Dark Horse trims, that's where the real magic begins. The naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8 delivers that classic roar and thrilling acceleration, while the Dark Horse pushes things even further with around 500 horsepower and track-ready engineering. And then there's the extreme side of the lineup. With performance upgrades and tuning potential, some versions can push output into supercar territory, turning the Mustang into a true high-performance machine. This isn't just about straight-line speed either. The car comes equipped with advanced systems like launch control, selectable drive modes, and a finely tuned independent rear suspension that keeps everything stable and controlled, even at high speeds. Handling has also seen major improvements. With available adaptive suspension, upgraded chassis tuning, and high-performance braking systems, the Mustang feels sharper and more confident around corners than ever before. Whether you're cruising on the highway or pushing it on a track, it adapts to your driving style effortlessly. One of the most interesting aspects of the 2026 Mustang is how customizable it is. From fastback to convertible, EcoBoost to V8, and multiple appearance packages, buyers can truly build a Mustang that matches their personality. Even small details like interior trims and wheel designs have been given attention, making the car feel more personal than ever. Technology and connectivity also play a big role. With features like built-in connectivity, navigation, and voice assistant integration, the Mustang isn't just a performance machine. It's a smart car designed for modern lifestyles. Safety hasn't been ignored either, with advanced driver assistance systems working quietly in the background to keep you secure. But what truly makes the 2026 Mustang special is how it balances old-school muscle car emotion with new-age innovation. It still gives you that loud exhaust note, that rear-wheel drive thrill, and that feeling of connection to the road. But now, it wraps all of that in a package that's smarter, more refined, and more capable than ever before. At the end of the day, whether you're someone who loves cruising through the city, hitting the highway, or chasing lap times on a track, the 2026 Mustang offers something for everyone. It's not just a car. It's an experience, a statement, and for many, a dream that continues to evolve without losing its soul.